Hello children, good evening, class 9 children. Again I am back with a new video and definitely with a new chapter, that is of climate chapter. Uh, Here in this chapter I just give you a little introduction. Before starting my video, I just wanted to tell you, I hope so you are well and staying at home. And please stay at home now. These days corona at its highest peak. I think your exams are well and you are also well. Very good staying at home. So here we will start a new chapter, that is of climate chapter. So in this chapter we will going to learn about, our learning objective will be the climate, the weather, the weatheric elements, some factors which is controlling this weather and climate, all these things children. So here we will going to start the climate chapter. Just because today just I will give a introduction that from the morning time children, I think you have watched or you are knowing from your basic childhood that weather is a atmospheric condition which is frequently changing. It means that it is the average weatheric condition. Weather means average weatheric condition which is changes very fast and it is not stay for longer time, and it is also belongs to a particular smaller area, right children? So another thing I need to tell you that weather is the weather is the atmospheric condition of a particular place of a particular time, right? Suppose in a morning time we are getting the sun rays, fresh sunny day. It can be possible that after 2 hours or after half an hour the weather certainly changes and rainfall will start, right children? Now these days that also we are seeing very frequently, right? So next will be what second thing it is coming, that is of climate. Climate means what children? I think children, mostly people have gone to Puri, went to visited Puri, right? So Puri, what type of climate you visited? It is of equatable climate, or we can tell it is the temperate climate. Why it is the temperate climate? Because in the summer days the temperatures are not very high, and in the winter days the temperatures are not very low. Okay, it is near about the same like little cold, little hot it can be, but it is not averagely means. So here I will tell you the definition of the climate. Climate is belongs to the average weatheric condition of a larger place as well as a long period of time, right? Around 30 to 35 years. Here children, in your book it's very nicely given, so please I'm just seeing you just note it down. What is weather? What is climate? Climate refers to the sum total of the weather conditions of variations over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. And weather, what is weather? Please underline that. Refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at a point of time. The elements of here I will tell you some factors or some elements. Elements means some parts are included, some things are included in weather and climate. Weather means what? We are thinking that it is temperature, it is rainfall, some things means these are the elements. Elements means these are the parts of weather and climate. So here we will talk about the different parts of weather and climates. What are the parts? First and foremost important will be the temperature. Temperature children, you can able to see very nicely that suppose in Keonjhar we have in the summer time that temperatures are very high, but in the winter time temperatures automatically low. But if we compare with Puri or in any other places which is near to the sea or far away, or I will give you the example of desert area like a third desert. So it is having daytime temperature is very high and nighttime temperature is very low, or summertime temperature is very high and wintertime temperature is quite low. So definitely that will be a factor. Second will be atmospheric pressure, third will be wind, fourth will be humidity, fifth will be precipitation. Okay, you may have also observed that weather condition fluctuate very often. Weather condition I have already told, fluctuated means it has been changes very frequently. It can be changes within one day, it can be changes within an hour, it can be changes anytime, right children? So here fluctuate very often within a day, but there is some common pattern over a few weeks or months. Here also I will tell you some things we will take. Children, I have told you that average climate we are taking. So on which months average climate we are taking? It can be taken by the day basis, it can be taken by the year basis, it can be taken by the month basis. Okay, so if we will take a month or annual basis, so here we will able to see that January month average temperature has been taken for lowest temperature, and July month highest highest temperature has been recorded for average to find out the summer temperatures. Okay children, and in a daytime there is also definitely a 2 times has been fixed for. One will be for capturing the lowest temperature, another will be capturing the highest temperature. On which time lowest temperature has been captured? Morning 5 o'clock. 5 to 5:30, and afternoon time 2 to 2:30. This time only the highest temperature has been recorded in a day basis. Okay. The days are cool and hot, windy or calm, cloudy or bright, and wet and dry. On the basis of the generalized monthly atmospheric conditions, the year is divided into seasons as daily basis atmospheric conditions are different. So here in this is what we are seeing. We are seeing the spring season. We are seeing that which type of season? It is not very cold. It is not very hot. It's extended monsoon or before the winter. We can tell, right? This season it's called as like that. Where only we can divide it. Right. Here also another thing I need to tell you, that our whole world has been divided into different type of climatic zones. Climatic zones, how it has been divided, I think children from you are having the basic idea. That is of class 6 you have read. The earth is also divided according to the sun rays, how they are getting according to the latitudes. Its 3 divisions are there. One will be torrid zone, another will be temperate, third one will be frigid zone. Okay, so this torrid, frigid, temperature, instead of that there are many type of climatic regions are there. Do you know what type of climatic regions? Yes, India we have the tropical climate, because Tropic of Cancer passes through it. Mostly we have summer days rainfall, we have summer days temperature around 40 degree, 30 degree to 40 degree, and winter days temperature will be around 10 to 15 degree, right? So that is why we are having this type of climate, tropical climate. Another thing I need to tell you, that India also having monsoonal climate, because monsoon winds are very much activated now these days. And children, I think you know, we will learn it in detail also. Monsoon winds, whenever it will come, whenever it will get back. So Indian climate also known as the monsoonal climate. India is also described as the monsoon type. In Asia, the type of climate found mainly in the south and southeast, despite of all over the unity. First, monsoon winds are coming from the southern part, southern southeastern part. Then according to the oceans, we have two water bodies. What are they? One will be this side, western side will be Arabian Sea, and eastern side will be Bay of Bengal. So after coming to this equatorial region, it has been divided. This monsoon wind has been divided into 2 parts. Okay, one branch will be entered through the Arabian Sea, another branch will be entered through the Bay of Bengal, children. Okay, we will later on part we will learn in detail. There are perceptible regional variations also, climatic conditions we can be seen. Let us take 2 important elements, temperature and precipitation, and examine how. For finding out but betterment of the weather, we have to take 2 type of elements. What are they? One will be temperature, another will be what? Another will be rainfall. Okay. In summer days, mercury occasionally touches 50 degree in the some parts of Rajasthan. Rajasthan generally in the summer time the temperature will be 50 degrees centigrade, but in the it may be around 20 degree in the Pahalgam in the Jammu and Kashmir. On the in the winter time, temperature of Dras, Jammu Kashmir will be minus 45 degrees centigrade, and Thiruvananthapuram is having still the temperature of 22 degrees centigrade. So definitely according to the area basis, according to the different factors, temperature has been varies from one place to another place. Okay. Next, I will tell you that let us look the precipitation. Here I will tell you the second thing, that is of precipitation. Precipitation means the falling down of the water. It can be the form of snow, it can be the form of water. Okay, so it can be rainfall, it can be snowfall, anything can be. It is called as precipitation, children. Okay, so here we will learn about India. Also we are having world's largest precipitation means rainfall getting region. It is situated in India. Wherever it is in the Meghalaya, Cherrapunji is there. Shillong, Cherrapunji is there. So that place is Mawsynram, is a village that is getting world's largest, world's wettest place. Means it is just receiving world's largest amount of rainfall, right? Another thing I need to tell you, that in our western desert, Rajasthan only hardly getting, we are getting 10 centimeter in Ladakh in the and the western Rajasthan part annually. This is the part of rainfall. Okay, it's very less. So definitely we have in our India that western part, very high region rainfall region, very low rainfall region. Another thing I need to tell you, in the Himalayan region the temperatures are very low, -0 degrees. So that's why rainfall in the form of snowfall, it is just precipitation has been done. Okay. Most part of the country receive rainfall from most part of the country in this monsoon season, they are only receiving the rainfall what at the time, June to July, September. But some parts of the, like Tamil Nadu also, they are getting the rainfall in the time of which time, in the October and November month. Why? That also we will learn later on part, because without explaining monsoon winds you will not able to understand that. In general, coastal areas experiences, here also I need to tell you that coastal areas, student, I have already told that previous chapter we have read that coastal areas are having the equatable temperature. Equatable temperature means quite low than other places. Temperature conditions, seasonal contrasts are more in the interior of the country. Like Delhi is located interior part. Interior part means inside the country. So that's why it's far away from the seas and the water bodies. So no effect is coming, right? So that is why Delhi is having quite high temperature in the summertime and quite low temperature in the winter time. Okay, but as comparison to Puri or Mumbai, those the places are near to sea, they are having the effect of the sea. Okay. Now, I will tell you the climatic controls. Climatic controls means some factors which we will depends on climatic controls. Climatic controls. So I think next video I will make this, right children? Otherwise it will be very much extended video. Thank you so much for that time, and hope so you are well, and please stay at home. Definitely. Thank you so much. Bye children.